This is your April 21, 22nd, and 23rd love reading. Let's see what will happen in your love life in the next 3 days. Okay, there's an Ace of Wands here. Ace of Wands is here. Okay, we have the Two of Swords. Okay. Hindi mo alam exactly kung dapat ka bang makinig sa explanation niya. Pero nakikita ko dito na gusto ka niyang kausapin tungkol sa nararamdaman niya. Hindi ito yung parang nagsisisi siya, pero more on like gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo yung reason bakit ka niya iniwan. Gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo yung totoong reason kung bakit siya nawala. Okay, let's figure this out. Bakit ba talaga siya nawala? Ano yung naging reason bakit ka niya iniwan? Even though alam mo na may third party nga. Okay, iniwan ka niya dahil tinatakot siya ng taong pinalit niya sa'yo. Okay? So, parang nakikita ko dito, hindi niya na alam yung gagawin niya, nahihirapan na siya, at gusto niya talaga na magkaroon ng way, gusto niyang mag-usap kayo, pero sa tamang paraan or tamang panahon. For some of you, talagang naikasal na siya doon sa tao na yun or pwedeng nagsama sila, pero still, na-figure out niya na everything is not true sa side ng other person. Nakikita ko rin dito, in the next few days, once na nag-usap kayong dalawa, as you watch this video, he is about to tell you what he truly feel. Maririnig mo exactly. You will hear exactly what you need to hear from this person. If you're manifesting a reconciliation, it will happen very soon. You will hear what you need to say, okay? So, this person is thinking about you all the time. Hindi niya na alam yung gagawin niya. At sa totoo lang, marami siyang sinubukan na ways on how to reach out on you. For some of you, you even tried to avoid this person kasi ayaw mo nang masaktan. Pero magta-try pa rin yan na makapasok sa buhay mo kasi hindi niya talaga kaya nang wala ka. I can feel the sadness here for no reason. This person is so sad. Like, sobrang low lang talaga niya. Kasi iba rin yung nararamdaman niya dito. Grabe yung paghirap niya. Pero still, he is trying to manifest reconciliation with you. And I want you to interact with this video 5 times. Send this to yourself and claim this reading for you to accept my energy. Because a reconciliation will happen to you very soon.